cell cycle. Introduction. Cells with nuclei have 46 chromosomes and divide by mitosis, a process that results in two new genetically identical daughter cells. The only exception to this is the formation of gametes, sex cells, i.e. ova and spermatozoa, which takes place by meiosis cell cycle. The period between two cell divisions is known as the cell cycle, which has two phases that can be seen on light microscopy: mitosis, M phase, and interphase. Interphase. This is the longer phase, and three separate stages are recognized. 1. First gap phase, G1. The cell grows in size and volume. This is usually the longest phase and most variable in length. Sometimes cells do not continue round the cell cycle, but enter a resting phase, G0. During this time, cells carry out their specific functions, egg. Secretion, absorption. 2. Synthesis of DNA, S phase. The chromosomes replicate, forming two identical copies of DNA. Therefore, following the S phase, the cell now has 92 chromosomes, i.e., enough DNA for two cells, and is nearly ready to divide by mitosis. Third second gap phase, G2, there is further growth and preparation for cell division, mitosis. This is a continuous process involving 4 distinct stages visible by light microscopy, prophase. During this stage, the replicated chromatin becomes tightly coiled and easier to see under the microscope. Each of the original 46 chromosomes, called a chromatid at this stage, is paired with its copy in a double chromosome unit. The two chromatids are joined to each other at the centromere. The mitotic apparatus appears. This consists of two centrioles separated by the mitotic spindle, which is formed from microtubules. The centrioles migrate, one to each end of the cell, and the nuclear envelope disappears. Metaphase. The chromatids align on the center of the spindle, attached by their centromeres. Anaphase. The centromeres separate, and one of each pair of sister chromatids, now called chromosomes again, migrates to each end of the spindle as the microtubules that form the mitotic spindle contract. Telophase. The mitotic spindle disappears, the chromosomes uncoil, and the nuclear envelope reforms. Following telophase, cytokinesis occurs. The cytosol, intracellular organelles, and plasma membrane split, forming two identical daughter cells.